Hi everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel again. So in this video, you will learn step by step instruction on how to retrieve your Boost mobile account number and PIN. So as well as how to transfer your PIN to another device. So follow along to easily access this important information and ensure a smooth transition. So let's start. How to get a Boost mobile account number. So here are the some steps you have to take in. So first is we have to Boost mobile account number is a 9-digit number. You have to remember that cannot be viewed within your online Boost mobile account. So here the first thing we have to get a Boost mobile account number. So so you have to remember that your account number is a 9-digit number that cannot be viewed within your online Boost mobile account. So to obtain your account number, you have to follow some steps. So simply you have to contact Boost Mobile at 1-888-266-7848 and then select the English language option. So enter your phone number and choose 4 for technical issue. After this, you have to wait for 10 seconds and press a 0 to connect with the representative. Then when so to connect with the representative, then when prompted, provide your 4-digit boost pin. After this, you have to request your account number from the representative for your record. Now, after this, account pin is a 4-digit security pin. So now we have to get an account PIN. So account PIN is a 4-digit security PIN to which you have been created during sign up. If you don't know the PIN, you have to reset it. Follow the method to reset your Boost Mobile account PIN. So here the first method we have to utilize in the Boost Mobile website. Navigate to this website, then access the sign in or my account section and option to reset your PIN or password. So provide your Boost Mobile number and complete identify verification prompt if required. So upon successful verification, process to reset your PIN. So they are the website link we will provide you in our description box so you can easily go through this. And now, how to get a your Boost My Transfer PIN. So the transfer PIN is also 4-digit security code like a account PIN. So it's generated when setting up your Boost account. You can refer to the email notification received during your account registration to locate this information. In case you may are unaware of your PIN, so contact this number 1-888-266-7848 is necessary. So follow the prompt from the systematic audio voice menu and press a 5 or the relevant option to request the transfer pin. So these are the some steps you have to take in for your transfer pin and get your account number and an account pin. So thank you for watching the video. I hope you like it and we will get you in the next video.